If you're familiar with Facebook, you probably heard about Business Manager. If you didn't use this tool before, let me tell you what do you need it for. If you have more than one client and you have more than one advertising account or more than one page on Facebook that you manage, you need to have a business manager. If you have employees or you have few people that you want to hire, you need to have a business manager. Business Manager is a great tool that can help you manage all of those things together. Well, right now you're using your personal Facebook profile and you're choosing your Facebook pages and your advertising accounts one by one. Business Manager will organize everything for you. When you will log in into your Business Manager, the first thing you will see is a list of your advertising accounts. And the second one is the list of your Facebook pages. Of course, first of all, you will have to add those accounts and those pages in Business Manager, but if you already have a permission and access to them, it will be much easier to do. If you have people working for you, or you would like to hire someone in the future, you definitely want to use Business Manager. That way you can easily manage permissions for all of those people. If you have someone who is running campaigns for you, you will easily give them access to any of your ad accounts that you want them to use. If you have someone who moderates your comments or posting some content for you on different Facebook pages, you will be able to easily provide them with access to any Facebook page that you want. So let me show you how it's done. First, let's talk why do you actually need a business manager? If you have an agency or just starting an agency, or if you're running Facebook pages for multiple clients, that's why you need a business manager. In your business manager, you can manage different Facebook pages and different ad accounts for different clients. You can also manage your employees like campaign managers and content creators. What can you do on Business Manager? Besides adding Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, and Facebook advertising accounts, you can add different apps, different Facebook tracking pixels, cooperate with other agencies, and create multiple Facebook pages or ad accounts if that's what you're into. In addition to that, you can set up your payment methods very easily for all of those advertising accounts on Facebook. So how to set up your business manager? Let's take a look. In order to create your business manager, you need to go to business.facebook.com and then just click here on Create Account. You need to log in with your Facebook details. This will be the first screen when you finish to create your business manager. You will have Add Account Performance right here, and then you will have your Facebook pages, and that's it. This is what you will have on the first screen. For me, I already have few ad accounts in my business manager and few pages as well, since it's already active business manager, but for you it will be empty if you're just starting. So what I recommend to go to your business manager settings and set it up. Your business manager settings will be located on your right in the upper corner right here, or in a regular menu on your left corner where you see business manager and kind of 3 lines. So just click on it, click all tools, and then go to business settings. If you're familiar with Facebook and you've been working as a content creator or a campaign manager before, these particular settings will be very easy for you to use. There are all the categories that you need on your left, and then on your right you can make any changes that you like. Let's start from the upper one, users. If you want to add people, employees, or your partner maybe to your business manager, you just click on people. And it's very easy. Next step that you need to do is just to click add. Then you need to choose what kind of permission do you want to give to that person. Either it's going to be employee or admin access. Admin access just means that they will have control for any Facebook page or any Facebook advertising account that you're going to have in your business manager. For employee access, it means that you need to provide to them any permission that you think is going to be relevant for them. They're not going to see all your Facebook pages and ad accounts by default. You will need to provide permission for every page and every different ad account that you have on your business manager. So in order to add a person, you just write their email right here. That way you will send them an invite. They will receive an email notification. And when they approve it, you're going to see them right here in this list on your business manager. When you click on that specific person, you will see all the pages and all the ad accounts that they have access to on your business manager. In order to edit their permissions, you just have to click on Add Assets, and then you can choose whatever page or advertising account you want to remove or you want to add to this person. Then the next thing, there are partners. If you're working with any other agency, you can add them here as a partner, meaning that you're going to cooperate with another business manager account. And they can share any page or any account with you. As you are with them, you are able to share any page that you own or you have access to with that business manager account. Then the next thing is accounts. For accounts, you have pages or your ad accounts, apps, Instagram accounts, a line of business, and so on. We're going to start with pages. In order to add any page to your business manager, you just click here on Add. And here you will have few options. You will be able to add a page, request access to a page, or create a new page. Same thing goes to add account. You will be able to add account, request access to an ad account, or create a new ad account. Those are the most important settings on your business manager. Another thing that I want to show you is setting up actually your company details. In order to do that, you go to Business Info. And here you need to fill in all the details that you think are relevant for you. If you have a website and you have a company name, you need to fill everything in. And you need to verify your website right here. Then, down here, you will be able to see a limit for your ad accounts that you can create. If it's a new business manager, your limit will be here, just 3 ad accounts that you can run at the same time. But when you will start running your advertising, you will be able to ask permission from Facebook to open it for even more. And the last thing on your business manager that we will go over today is your payment method. For payment methods, you're going to click on your left on payments, and that's where you can set up your payment method for different advertising accounts. Now let's talk if you must to fill in all the details in your business manager. If you have a company that is already registered and you have a website, then it's worth your while. You will fill in your billing information and you will verify your website. That's how you will receive organized invoices from Facebook. But if you're new to Facebook and you're just starting to run your agency and you're not even sure with the name you're using right now, it's okay. You can always fill in those details later. It's not really a must thing to do.